So we're gonna be doing practical today. Okay. We're gonna be testing Mario lipstick. They said this one, Mario makeup. Okay, makeup by Mario. They said this one is plumbing. This one will make your lips like plumb it, like make it that you don't like people that go for all this like to increase their mouth and all those things. So they said this one will do it. I don't know if it's true. So this is my lips. So I have nothing. So we're gonna know if it increased or through or not. So this one is Rose Glow. This is Amber Rose Glow. This is Rosewood Glow. So we're gonna go first with Rose Glow. So this is Mario lip liner. His lip liner is soft. I like it. So this is my lips. My natural lips. This way it is. I just opened it. You see? I got the sample. Okay. I got this thing is not going inside though. So be careful when you're bringing it out. Say I brought so many. It's not going inside. Eh? Mario. The thing I like about this is that's what made me to buy it, because I used the sample before. Yeah, I like the minty. Sometimes you feel like you want to like lick it. If I'm a baby now, I would have licked it. I love the minty. So check. I would think like I think I see some effect. It may be not be too obvious, maybe because I have thick lips and stuff. But I saw the effect a bit, yeah. I saw the effect a bit, but not like it's not gonna show like that. Maybe for someone that have tiny lips, it's gonna show well. But I love the color. I love the minting. I love it. I bought almost the same color. So this one, I think this one is the one that is more like on shiny side. So it's good to use this winter. Like, I love it. I love how soft it is, and then I love more of hydrating lipstick. Or yeah. I love lipstick that look like lip gloss. That like that. Even if it's matte. I don't like matte like all those matte down. So let's do the second one. So you say save your money with all these things you gonna do, say you're doing. Like, it's my opinion, so it's not must. So like here we teach people how to invest money and save, like how to save your money and invest, right? So you have to learn how to invest. All this makeup is good to buy. Make sure when you're buying, bring out some money from it, and then bring out some money to buy like gold. Gold is still like accessory. Do you understand? You can resell this. Like I bought this when gold was let's say like when gold was $57 per gram or something like that. But now per gram in gold is 107. Some people are selling 120. Some people are selling 130. So if you check it in Nigerian money, it's like almost 180,000 naira or 200,000 per gram. So learn to buy all those gold. How to buy it. So the second one is makeup by Mario. This one is Rosewood Glow. See my lips. I think we're not supposed to be using my lips. I have thick lips, so we need somebody. Maybe I'll go to one of my friends' house to test it there. That's what we'll do. I'm being careful so that I don't make the same mistake I made the other one. It won't go inside. But this thing is costly. This lipstick. So buy it when they are doing sales so that you save you money. Save money, okay? Make sure before you're buying makeup that you invested, okay? Yeah, make sure. Invest, buy gold, buy shares, buy land properties, like go into real estate, try to invest, okay? This color and this color is almost the same color, just that the other one is more shiny. And then I think the other one, that one maybe is the one that is plumping. Yeah, I think this one is just normal one, but I still love the minty one. That's what made me to buy them. But I love the colors, so I'll be buying again. Just that I'll be buying again because I don't know when. I have a lot of lipstick, but the things are the ones I like this ones now. I like it. I'll be using it. Did they say it? Did it increase? This maybe I will do makeup. Maybe I will do this. Hair is giving me this girl. I'm looking like Janet Jackson here. Do you think so? Oh, Michael Jackson. No, I'm looking like myself. But it's giving me to go do like Janet Jackson makeup, something like that. Honestly, I'm changing all my wardrobe to black on top. I want to be wearing black turtleneck. I think it fits me more. I hope I don't get tired. I've been sourcing black these days, like a black top like this. I've gotten,